Do you have cracks in your home where there shouldn't be, or doors and windows not opening or closing properly? Is your house on a raised foundation? If so, this video is for you. Footing cracks are not the most obvious sign of foundation settlement. They are not as glaringly apparent as stucco cracks, ceiling cracks, or drywall cracks. Footing cracks tend to be hidden behind shrubbery, grass, or even soil. While they are not the most conspicuous sign or symptom of foundation issues, they are definitely a serious one. Today you will learn how we remove and replace foundation footings that have become compromised. Foundation footing cracks are due to a wide array of different issues: expansive soils, inadequate drainage, seismic activity, water leaks, deterioration, rebar rusts and breaks, and so on and so forth. With that being said, it is absolutely imperative to address foundation settlement. So let's take a look at footing removal and replacement. During a footing removal and replacement project, we first start by excavating the soil around the footing. After the footing is accessible, we remove about 3 or 4 inches of material from the footing and place a bottle jack in that new opening. After we place all the bottle jacks, we can then demo the rest of the footing before sacrificing those jacks by encasing them in rebar cages and pouring concrete to create your new footing. Footing removal and replacement projects typically aren't cheap. They can cost roughly $500 to $700 per linear foot, and if the sill plate is deteriorating, that price could go up even further. As an example, if you have a small little house, and in this example we'll say it's 10 feet by 10 feet, that gives you 40 linear feet of footing to replace. We'll take that 40 and multiply it by 500 to 700 to get a price of roughly $20,000 to $28,000. Now, this price doesn't include the cost of concrete dumpsters for the old footing, a portable bathroom for the crew, which costs different in each county, or mobilizations of our crew in their truck. So, now that you know the cause, costs, and how the removal and replacement of a foundation footing is done, please contact us. You can get a free inspection of your footing and a proposal with the cost of repairs if you need them. Thanks for watching the video, and remember to never settle on an unstable footing.